In this segment, we're going to show how to gut a saltwater fish. Once we've completed the incision along the abdomen, now we're going to grab the fish's opercular plate and open up the gill area, reaching in with our finger and lifting out the belly of the fish, lifting it out this way. Okay? The next thing we're going to do is take our knife blade and insert it underneath the section of the fish that we've just completed slicing and make a shallow cut so that we free up this portion of the fish's abdomen from the gill area. Secondly, we're going to take our knife and slice underneath what would amount to the throat of the fish. We're going to make a slice like this and a slice like that, so that we open up this area just beneath the chin of the fish. Next, we're going to separate the parts just forward of the pelvic fin, separate them wide like this, grab the section that we've just isolated by cutting, which is the gill arches here. We're going to grab those gill arches. Now, in a larger fish, you may need to relief cut down here at the base of the gill arches. You may need to take your knife and make a slight cut down here and right here, just at the base of the gill arches, to aid you in removing the gills from the head of the fish. Reach our thumb and forefinger under the throat area that we just cut and pull the gills back away from the base of the skull. That may take a little bit of a tug to break the gill arches loose from the base of the skull, but just go ahead and pull towards the tail. They come loose and all the guts come out in one piece. So now that we've pulled the gills and the guts out of the fish, a handy trick is to have a Ziploc sandwich baggie available to just drop the guts and the gills into, seal it up, and throw it in your rubbish can.